Saudi Arabia's holy cities are flooded again. Like it if you think that they need to protect nature, because this is the main problem of humanity. The more likes, the more people will know it. Floods due to heavy rain occurred in Mecca and Jeddah on November 25. Thunderstorms with strong winds flooded the streets of holy cities. The movement of cars on the roads became very difficult, and some of them became completely impossible. The streets turned into rivers, allowing swimming and fishing in the city center due to heavy rains. On some streets, the water flowed so rapidly that motorists did not even risk going there.